Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I am doing a try on for you guys. This video has been a long waiting video that I wanted to do, so I figured that I will come along and do a try on haul. But today's try on haul is going to be a try on haul on looks that you can wear to go out on a date night. So I got a few pieces that I'm going to try on for you guys. This is one of them I have on, and this one is actually just a casual look. So I'm going to show you guys the pieces and what I've paired it with, and let's pretty much get into this try on haul. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. So, and let me know what you guys think of the pieces, which outfits you like the best, and if you guys would pair them differently. So I think I might put in two so I'm gonna put in two casual outfits. So I'm gonna put in two casual date night outfits that you can wear. So if you don't feel like being too fancy but you still like looking classy and elegant, you still can. So let's get into this try on haul, guys. And of course I got my camera girl in the back hooking a sister up because I need some help, so she's gonna help me. So let's get into this haul. So this is the first date night, and this is a nice casual date night outfit. As you see, I paired it with some nude heels here, some shorts, nice cute shorts. You could pair them with a darker shorts if you want, and a nice top, gold watch. And I also just have a nice nude clear bag with gold matching. So this is just my accessories and just a little bit of lip gloss, your face bead, and just my hair just combed down. So this is the look, guys. What do you think? Do you like it? And this is just for a nice casual date night. So this is outfit number one. I am going to go in outfit number two and for date night. Yeah, so let's get into the other outfit. This is the next outfit. So I just paired it with a cute little gold strap up purse, and I paired it with gold watch, and I got some nice cute black heels on, and this is just a great fit, guys. Love it. What do you guys think? And it's just simple. And if you wanted to pair it with some necklace and some earrings and some jewelry, hand accessory jewelry, then that is fine. But this is how I decided to pair this outfit. What do you guys think of this one? I actually love it. I love it. The colors them go together. This is a nice, elegant date night, and you got the cleavage showing. So you got little peekaboo, still classy but yet still sexy look. Yes. All right. So here is another cute outfit. This is a two-piece shorts outfit. I just paired it with my black purse with gold on it and accessory black watch, and I paired it with a blazer this time. So, and then I got this nice black heels that I paired with it. So this is a cute look, cute yet still classy and sassy in a sense. Yes. And the good thing about this look is if you get a little bit hot, ladies, you can take off the blazer. A blazer is always good to have. So take off the blazer, and you can also throw it over your shoulders. And there you go. That is the other look. So this is the next outfit. I got on this nice mesh black dress with nude, my clear bag, and as you see, I just accessorized with some gold jewelry, my wedding ring, nothing too stylish, and just some nude shoes. Yes, and this is just a simple fit. And if you want, you could have thrown on a blazer with this. The good thing about this dress is it's off the shoulder, so you can pull it down like this. So you got that nice, and you can also put the shoulder up on this side. So you got the one up, one down look going, and you have the double look going. So there it goes, guys. So that is the fit. Okay, so this is the next outfit, guys. As you see, I just got a nice two-piece on with a nice purse, and I got the black to match my purse. Yeah, your girl is ready for date night. Hey, hey. Yeah. Come, hit. Yeah, and here is a nice romper one-piece jumpsuit outfit we have on today with a nice blazer, as you can see, and I just accessorized it with a black purse and watch and a ring, and that is it. So this is the next outfit, and this is just a cute, simple, like I said, date night looks. And if you get a little bit too hot, you can always take off the blazer. So you can take off the blazer, and then you have a nice breeze at the back, and there you go. So you are all ready for your date night, and that's just another outfit, guys. Alright guys, so this is the last and final outfit. As you see, I started with a classy, like, casual wear outfit, and I am ending with a nice casual but, you know, dressy wear. So as you can see, I got a nice black dress shirt on with some shorts and some black heels to match, and a nice black purse. And to accessorize, you know, your girl with, you could do gold watch, and if you want to change, you could do something else to accessorize, but this is how I accessorize, and this is my look. So if I'm going on a date, like, yes, so this is just my look. Like I said, this is the last outfit, guys, so definitely let me know what you guys think of all these pieces. Let me know which outfit for date night would be your favorite. I spiced it up a little, you dressed it down a little, and you got yourself your outfit. So this is the last one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yes, and don't forget to make sure to hit that notification button, that anytime your girl upload, you'll be the first to be notified. And yes guys, come down in the comment, let's chat. You know, this is a free space, and let me know what outfit, and if you guys would pair these outfit a little bit different, definitely let me know. And if for more videos like this, let me know in the description, in the comment section as well, for what other outfit ideas you guys would like to see and what other videos you would like to see. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.